Hello, my name is Tianyu. Today I'm going to talk about marketers doing enough to direct the target market to sustainable consumer patient, or should they be more proactive? So, at the beginning, we should know what is sustainable consumer patient. Sustainable conservation is the study of resource and energy use. And in 1994, Author Symposium, in Author Symposium, the sustainable conservation defined as provide service and products to meet human needs, improve the quality of life, where reducing the natural resources, um, natural resources, toxic subsistence, improve waste emission, reduce the waste, reduce the waste and pollution generated during the during the life cycle of service or products, so as to avoid affecting future generations' demand. Um, through a verified introduction, we can know that it is not easy to develop a sustainable consumer patient. It needs to achieve a developmental and sustainable win-to-win for consumer patient. And here are two examples for sustainable consumer patient. Um, Woolworths and Coles are provide a range of reusable bags instead of single-use plastic bags. And McDonald's and KFC are also gradually phasing out disposable straws and choosing recyclable straws. Um, However, these two examples have been opposite by some people. Um, Woolworths and Coles are offering the free bags for consumers, and now people need to spend on shopping bags, so some people experience dissatisfaction. McDonald's and KFC at the very beginning of providing paper straws, but paper straws were resisted by many people because of the bad taste, and that made the two companies have to develop suitable straws. Mm, um, Next, back to the topic. Should marketers doing enough or more proactive? First, marketers. What is marketers' responsibilities? Marketers' responsibilities should be communicate, and transmit value to the customers, and manage the customer relationships, so that the organization and its stakeholders benefit. And in my opinion, they should more proactive, because sustainable consumption is consumer consumption, and the marketers are changing their consumption habits. So marketers need to work hard, and leading to sustainable consumption can be accomplished not only by marketers, but also need strong support by consumers, the company, the government, and even the world. And this type of consumption will benefit the next generation. Marketers have a huge responsibility for the production and the promotion of products or service, and they can directly or indirectly affect the buying patterns of the market. So, in order to achieve sustainable consumption, marketers must be more proactive. Finally, I'm going to talk about the current concept of the sustainable consumption. I think there are 2 points of the sustainable consumption. First, green consumption. Second, moderate consumption. So if people can prefer green products, avoid excessive consumption, improve resources utilization efficiency, and healthy lifestyle. This will be of great help to achieve sustainable consumption. And finally, I prepared 2 questions that I might ask. And the first is, in the process of directing the target market to sustainable consumption, will it affect the company's interests? Through the 2 examples, I think that most consumers will have resistance when they contact with new product or service. Therefore, in order to achieve sustainable consumption, the company's interests may be affected in earlier stage. Second, what should the marketers focus on when they direct the market to sustainable consumption? Marketers should consider how to combine consumer demand with sustainable consumption. It may not work if marketer just trying to tell consumer to change or giving them information and expecting them to act on it. So the marketers should focus on the consumers' demand and with sustainable consumption. Thanks for your watching.